Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best Dungeons & Dragons is probably one of the most immersive and collaborative forms of entertainment out there. It's where you and your friends become heroes, facing mythical creatures and solving ancient mysteries. With dice rolls determining your fate, every decision matters, and every session is a unique story waiting to be told. Get ready to roll some dice and embark on epic adventures. Number 5. D&D Essentials Kit, Dungeons & Dragons Intro Adventure. This is the D&D Essentials Kit, perfect for new players. It's a great way to get started with the world of Dungeons & Dragons. Inside, you'll find the Dragon of Icespire Peak Adventure. It's designed for characters levels 1 to 6. This adventure will take you on an epic journey. The kit includes a rulebook with everything you need. It guides you through character creation and explains all the game rules. There's also a Dungeon Master's screen to help guide the game. It provides useful information for the Dungeon Master. You'll also get a fold-out poster map, character sheets, and dice. These are essential tools for playing the game. Finally, there are 81 cards describing magic items and sidekicks. These cards add even more excitement to the game. What we like. This set is perfect for beginners. It provides everything you need to start playing, including a rulebook and dice. If you're new to D&D or want to introduce others to the game, this is the perfect starting point. It's a great way to experience the world of D&D without a steep learning curve. What people say. The D&D Essentials Kit is packed with everything you need to get started, including a rulebook, character sheets, a set of dice, and an adventure book. The rulebook is clear and easy to understand, making it perfect for beginners who may not have any prior experience with tabletop games. The character sheets are also well designed, with plenty of space to record your character's stats and abilities. Number 4. D&D Dungeon Mayhem Board Game, 120 cards. Get ready for a thrilling adventure with this exciting board game. It includes everything you need to dive into the world of Dungeons & Dragons, offering fast-paced fun for everyone. The game comes packed with 120 cards, ensuring plenty of action and strategic gameplay. These cards are designed to keep you engaged and entertained for hours. Each player gets their own deck of 28 cards, allowing for unique strategies and character builds. This setup ensures a balanced and engaging experience for all players. Keep track of your health and abilities with the included trackers and symbol cards. These components are essential for managing your resources and planning your next move. Use the damage and hit point tokens to keep track of the battle. They are crucial for determining the outcome of each encounter and the overall game. What we like. This game is all about fast-paced combat. With quick gameplay and easy-to-understand rules, it's perfect for a quick game night. If you're looking for a fun, competitive card game that captures the essence of D&D battles, then this is for you. What people say. The rules are straightforward, making it accessible for players of all ages, and each game lasts about 5 to 10 minutes, perfect for quick gaming sessions. The artwork is fun and each character deck is unique, great for game nights. Overall, it is an easy game to teach and learn. The symbols on the cards make it super easy to understand what's going on, and the addition of the expansion packs allows for more strategy, more replayability, and allows for more than 4 players at a time to participate. Number 3. Hasbro Dungeons & Dragons Adventure Begins Board Game. Want to experience the world of Dungeons & Dragons? This board game is designed for a quick entry. It's perfect for players aged 10 and up. This is a cooperative fantasy game where you work together. It's a portal to the monsters, magic, and heroes of Dungeons & Dragons. You can customize your heroes and battle iconic D&D monsters. Every time you play, it's a new adventure. Choose a journey and the boss your party will fight. You can choose from Felbris, Orn, Deathsleep, and the Kraken. The game includes 4 plastic minifigures. They correspond with the heroes featured in gameplay. You will love to play with it. What we like. This board game offers a cooperative experience, perfect for families and new players. It provides a quick entry into the world of D&D. If you're looking for a fun, cooperative game to play with your family or friends, this is a great choice. What people say. The quality of the miniatures is outstanding. The rulebooks are well written and easy to understand. The game provides a great balance of strategy and role-playing. Number 2. Dungeons & Dragons, Wrath of Ashardalon board game. A dark spire looms over the land, spewing smoke and lava. This game brings you into a world of danger and adventure. Venture into a monster-filled maze of tunnels and chambers. Deep within, a terrifying red dragon awaits. Designed for 1 to 5 players, it offers multiple scenarios and challenging quests. You can play with friends or family. It's a cooperative game where you work together to overcome challenges. Teamwork is key to survive. Set in the world of Dungeons & Dragons, it brings the fantasy to your tabletop. Get ready for an epic adventure. What we like. This board game offers a challenging cooperative adventure. With multiple scenarios and quests, it provides a deep and engaging experience. If you enjoy working together to overcome challenges and explore a rich world, then this is the game for you. What people say. They work as a stand-alone product and offer a dungeon crawling, limited leveling, monster slaying experience with no previous knowledge of how D&D works. The game system totally allows for expandability in many ways. All 3 systems use totally interchangeable materials. Number 1. Clue Dungeons & Dragons collectible game. A party of adventurers has been targeted. One of Zariel's minions has secretly replaced one of them. It's your job to figure out who has been replaced. In this game, you must determine who has been replaced by the devil, what weapon was used, and where the puzzle box is hidden. It's a thrilling mystery. Join the journey with your favorite adventurer. You can play as Rhea Mantlemorn or Lulu. The game is full of excitement. The game board features custom artwork from your favorite locations within Baldur's Gate. Explore the world and solve the mystery. This game is designed for 2 to 6 players, ages 8 and up, with a playtime of 60 minutes. Gather your friends and family for an unforgettable experience. What we like. This game combines the classic Clue gameplay with a D&D theme. It challenges you to solve a mystery within the Forgotten Realms. If you enjoy solving mysteries and are a fan of D&D, then this is a must-have for your collection. It's a unique blend of 2 beloved game experiences. What people say. Love that there's multiple ways to play. Love the design, characters gain tokens and different ways to play. The game was very fun and an extremely interesting way to mix D&D and Clue together. Fun game. Same rules as the regular Clue except accommodates 2 players. If you are a fan of either game, get it. Well made, fun design, highly recommend. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.